You've seen celebrities do it.
People like The Rock, John Legend, and Channing Tatum.
You've seen your teachers do it. Think you can do better? Then now it's your turn. AHS in the class of 2019 present
The second annual Maple Mock Rock.
in a group or by yourself.
Join us Thursday, March 29th in the PAC. There's a grand prize of $100.
Just take those old records off the shelf. I said
Acts will be judged on accuracy, choreography, costumes, and energy. See Mr. Guerra or Miss Rudolph for applications. Tickets to support your classmates will only be available March 26th through 28th for $2 per person. Participation applications are due March 23rd. Late submissions on March 26th for $2 one-time fee.